In this video, I will show you how to pick location on Snapchat maps. So the step are so simple to follow. After you open up now your Snapchat app like this now, so all you need to do now, just go ahead and tap on this as you can see now. Tap on this section, this one. So after you tap on this section like this now, all you need to do, you can tap on this profile again. After you open your profile like this now, tap on this settings. So under your settings now, scroll all the way to down, scroll to down, scroll to down. As you can see here, it says see my location, this one. So tap on it. Under the see my location, as you can see now, the only way you can be able to pick your location on Snapchat maps is only by just enabling this ghost mode. As you can see now, enable this ghost mode. So as you can see now here, it says enable ghost mode. Your friends can't see your location while you are in ghost mode. So you can enable the ghost mode according to this as you can see now, or you can just tap on this until turn off. So as you can see now, when you enable ghost mode, your friends can't see your location. That's the only way you can be able now to pick your location on Snapchat maps. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys.